Kamusta kayong lahat mga kabayan? Ha? Tonight is your night, kaya dito kami para makapagbigay saya para sa inyo. Eh, Corontillo! Nakakapag-nood ba kayo ng Encantadia? Wow! Ayun, no? Alam niyo ba na nangyayari na? Well, we're here today to perform for you guys para makapagbigay saya sa inyo, to give back to you. So, maraming salamat na nandito kayo. And syempre, alam niyo, recently nakapag-concert kami sa Music Museum. Kasama ko si Alger, si Derek, si Jake. Kaya alam ko hindi kayo nakauwi para manood. So I'm bringing one song that we sang from the concert na dadalhin ko dito ngayon. So if you guys know the lyrics, I want you guys to dance and sing with me, okay? And Corontillo. Hey! I want you guys to dance with me, okay? I was doing just fine before I met you. Didn't too much, cause that's an issue, but I'm okay. Come on! You can tell your friends it's nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. Bring it back, come on! Hey! I know it breaks your heart, move to the city in a breakdown water. 4 years no gone, now you're looking pretty in the hotel bar. Can't stop. So I can't stop. Yeah, hey. So baby, pull me closer. I see the good, and I know you can't afford. Buy that tattoo on your shoulder. Through the sheets right on the floor. On the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Florida. We ain't never getting over. Hey!
Buat ano, 11% na lang? 11%.
Come on, come on. So baby, backseat of love, and I know you can't afford. Buy that tattoo on your shoulder. Through the sheets right on that floor. That's just what you saw. We ain't never getting better. We ain't never getting older. 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 Come on! My youth is yours, taking the skies to the waterfall. My youth is yours, lips so happy forever. My youth is yours, you so loud you can't ignore my youth. My youth, we ain't never getting older. Say it loud again. Thank you. My youth is yours. My youth is yours. Thank you, Now, let's give it up para sa ating Sangre Pilena. Handa na ba kayo? Pakita ang mahal na sangre. Ladies and gentlemen, the very beautiful Glyza De Castro!
Abisala! Assalamualaikum! First time namin dito sa Inok at yung kakantahin ko first time yun, first time ko kakantahin, especially para sa inyo at sino dito yung mga may minamahal sa buhay?
Kami bang kabayan?
Hindi na lang sa Pinas. Para sa inyo to, kung alam niyo itong kantang to, sana huwag tayo maiyak.
Iyak ka na!
Hello nga pala sa mga restaurant to.
No!
Lahat meron na rito!
Kumusta kayo?
Okay lang!
Masaya ba puso nyo? Masaya, masaya. Nakasubscribe na ba kayo sa GMA Pinoy TV via Wasan? Mainam! Sandaling katahimikan namin. Pagkat itong kanta nito ay inaalay ko sa lahat ng mga umiibig, sa lahat ng mga umaasa, sa lahat ng mga nag-iingat. Kung gusto niyo sumayaw, okay lang. Sabay-sabay tayo. Pati ba katulad ang pagsuyong kakulan? Tayong umaasa, wala ang pagkulang. Ang ikataon ng damdamin mo. Ako'y nakikinig sa'yo.
Baliw na natas kamay, atras. Atras na yung kamay. Umulki ka mo Ay, lubat pare.
Okay naman.
I love you!
Nasa boses mo, ha? Maraming salamat po. At sobrang
amigo.
At bago yan, pwede mo na mag-selfie tayo. Dapat kayo!
Sana